And now I want to talk about the law. So we're talking about something that affects a lot of California landlords and a lot of tenants. The new rent increase limits that go into effect August 1st. So it's the end of July. So that's happening in a couple of days. We have the new laws that's going into effect. So the rent increase is for all of California, and I would say 90% of the rent increase is the same for all of California. The only differences is if you're in a city that has rent control or rent stabilization, then those rent increases is a little bit lower. If the building is like within 15 years built, they don't, these rent increases. So what California do is it's called the CPI. So that's the Consumer Price Index. And what that is they measure inflations, and that's published by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. And it tracks the price consumers pay for everyday goods and services, such as housing, food, transportation, medical care, and utilities. So the CPI is so California has the AB 1482, which was put in place to control the rent and give tenant protection. So most of California is under AB 1482, unless you're in one of those cities, like I said, that has rent control. So when you're in a city that has rent control, they could control how much of a rent increase is imposed. So they can't go higher than what California already set, but they could go lower. And that's what a lot of cities that has rent control or rent stabilization does.